Hello everyone, welcome to LegalScape Academy. Today we'll be doing questions on constitutional law. I'll pause for 5 seconds after reading every question. You have to answer in the comment box. Question 1. Who administers oath to the governor of the state? A. President of India. B. Chief Justice of India. C. Advocate General of the state. And D. None of the above. Correct answer is D. None of the above. According to Article 159, Chief Justice of High Court administers oath to the governor of the state. Next question. A person whose fundamental rights are violated can move to the High Court under Article 20, B Article 226, C Article 32, D Article 22. Please write your answer in the comment box. Correct answer is Article 226. Under Article 226, you can move to High Court for enforcement of fundamental rights. And under Article 32, you can move to Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights. Question 3. Which of the following protects personal freedom? A. Quo warranto. B. Mandamus. C. Habeas corpus. D. Certiorari. Correct answer is habeas corpus, which means to have a body. Next question. Preamble of the Constitution declares India as A. A socialist democratic republic. B. A sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. C. A sovereign democratic republic. D. None of the above. Please write your answer in the comment box. The correct answer is Sovereign Socialist Secular Democratic Republic. The terms socialist and secular were added to the constitution by 42nd constitutional amendment. Next question. Who among the following was the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee? A. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Motilal Nehru. C. M.K. Gandhi. D. Sardar Patel. Write your answer. Correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. If the question comes, who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly, then the answer would be Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question. Which article provides for immunity to the president and governor for official acts? A. Article 362. B. Article 363. C. Article 368. And D. Article 361. Please write your answer in the comment box. Correct answer is Article 361. Next question. Municipalities have become constitutional functionaries by insertion of Article 243Y, Article 243Q, Article 243Z, none of the above. Correct answer is Article 243Q. Preamble is the part of Constitution. This observation of Supreme Court was held in the case of A. Keshavanand Bharati vs. State of Kerala, B. Vishakha vs. State of Rajasthan, C. D.K. Basu vs. Union of India, and D. R.S. Nayak vs. A.R. Antule. Write your answer. Correct answer is Keshavanand Bharati vs. State of Kerala. Which schedule of the Constitution mentions the union list, state list, and concurrent list? A. Schedule 7, B. Article 246, C. 8th Schedule, D. Article 245. Correct answer is 7th Schedule. Hint was already given. Next question, question number 10. Under Indian Constitution, in performance of duties, Attorney General of India shall have right of audience. A. Only Supreme Court. B. Only High Court. C. All courts of India. D. Only Supreme Court and tribunals established by the central government. Write your answer. Correct answer is all courts of India. It is given in Article 76, Clause 3. Next question. Under which one of the following articles of the Constitution the Supreme Court has power to review its own decision? Write your answer. Correct answer is option C, Article 137. Next question. The law declared by Supreme Court of India is binding on all courts within the territory of India. But the Supreme Court is not bound by its decision. Was decided by Supreme Court itself in A. Keshwanand Bharati vs. State of Kerala, B. Indira Nehru Gandhi vs. Raj Narayan, C. Madhva Rao Scindia vs. Union of India, D. Bengal Immunity Corporation Limited vs. State of Bihar. Correct answer is Bengal Immunity Corporation Limited vs. State of Bihar. Next question. The principle that the term procedure established by law in Article 21 of the Constitution means just and fair procedure was laid down by the Supreme Court in A. A.K. Gopalan vs. State of Madras, B. Kharak Singh vs. State of UP, C. Maneka Gandhi vs. Union of India, D. Govind vs. State of MP. Correct answer is Maneka Gandhi vs. Union of India. Next question. By which constitutional amendment reservation of 2 seats for Anglo-Indians has not been extended? A. 107th Constitutional Amendment Act, B. 105th Constitutional Amendment Act, C. 104th Constitutional Amendment Act, and D. 103rd Constitutional Amendment Act. Quickly write your answer. Correct answer is C. 104th Constitutional Amendment Act. Question number 15. In which one of the following case the Supreme Court held that Constitution prevails over the will of the people? A. R.S. Chaudhary vs. State of Punjab, B. B.K. Mehta vs. Union of India, C. Mahindra Lal Das vs. State of Bihar, and D. B.R. Kapoor vs. State of Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is D. B.R. Kapoor vs. State of Tamil Nadu. Next, question number 16. The 8th schedule of Constitution of India does not include which one of the following languages? A. Nepali, B. Bodo, C. Bhojpuri, D. Dogri. Which one is not present? Write your answer. Correct answer is Bhojpuri. Bhojpuri is not given. Next question. The 11th schedule of the Constitution of India is related to A. Anti-defection law, B. Language of India, C. Panchayati Raj, D. Oaths. Quickly write your answer. Yes, correct answer is Panchayati Raj. Next question. Which one of the following is directive principle of state policy? A. To provide paternity leave, B. To organize Gram Sabha, C. To provide for participation of workers in management of industries, D. To take steps for separation of judiciary from legislature. Correct answer is option number C, to provide for participation of workers in management of industry. It has given in Article 43A, inserted by 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Next, joint session of Parliament shall be convened by President of India under Article 108 for passing A. Money Bill, B. Ordinary Bill, C. Financial Bill, D. Vote on accounts. Write your answer. Yes, the correct answer is Ordinary Bill. Next and last question. Under which provision of Constitution High Courts have power to punish for contempt of itself? A. Article 214, B. Article 226, C. Article 215, and D. Article 216. Please write your answer. Yes, correct answer is Article 215. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.